Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Style and Glamour. I hope everyone is fine and too good. That's I am super exciting to share with you an amazing high heel footwear collection that every stylish girl will absolutely love. High heels are not just shoes, they are a statement of elegance, confidence, and personality. Whether you love block heels, wedges, or pumps, there's something here for you. So make yourself confident and let's dive into this glamorous world of high heels together. Kitten heels are smaller, more comfortable version of stiletto, great for women who want a touch of height and elegance without the discomfortable of very high heels. Let's now move toward trending high heels that are ruling fashion these days. Block heels, comfortable, stylish, and easy to walk in. They are perfect for long days when you still want some height without compromising comfort. Ankle strap heels, feminine and secure. They strap around the ankle, add charm, and makes walking easier while enhancing the beauty of your legs. Platform heels, super trending, bold and statement making. Platform gives extra height but are much more comfortable than stilettos because of the lifted sole. Wedges perfect for casual outing, summer dressing, and outdoor event. They give height, balanced, and a chic look without hurting your feet. Heels with crisscross laces detailing that warp around the ankle of golf. Very stylish and Instagram worthy. Molesville heels, open black slips on style combined with the heel, super trending and easy to wear. Peep-toe heels, a playful design that show just a hint of your toes. Great for both casual and party look. Artistic designs where the heels itself is unique, like geometric shapes, pearls, or metallic effect. These are a true fashion statement. Which high heels are best for different occasions? Pumps, kitten heels, and block heels work best. They are classical, professional, and comfortable for long hours. And parties, wedding, glitter heels, metallic pumps, and lace up heels are perfect. They add glamorous to your outfit. Here's some quick styling tips for high heels. Match nude heels with almost any outfit. They elongate your legs. Black stilettos are versatile, perfect for both office wear and late night parties. Pair wedges with floral dresses or summer outfits for a chic look. Metallic and glitter heels are best reserved for night event. Always balanced, comfortable if you are wearing very high heels. Carry flat as a backup. And that's our full high heels footwear collection for today. From timeless pumps to bold, transparent heels, there's truly something for every mood, outfit, and occasions. High heel do not just elevate your height, they elevate your confidence. If you enjoy this video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fashion inspiration. Comment down below your favorite type of high heels. Are you a high heel lovers, a wedge lover, or do you prefer stylish block heels? I had loved to know. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Stay stylish, stay confident, and keep rocking those heels. Thank you. Bye.